Welcome back to Improve Autos. Close your eyes and listen to that rumble. That isn't just a car, that is the sounds of absolute muscle car royalty. This is the 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. In an era where cubic inches were king, Ford decided to build a monster so large it barely fit inside the car. Built solely to homologate the massive 429 engine for NASCAR, only 859 of these were hand-assembled in 1969. Today, it's not just a vehicle, it's a rolling piece of American history that costs more than a modern supercar. Let's find out why this shotgun Mustang is still the most feared car on the block. Exterior. On the outside, the Boss 429 is a lesson in functional aggression. You'll notice the massive manually controlled hood scoop, the largest ever fitted to a factory Mustang. But here's a secret. Ford couldn't actually fit the engine at their factory. They had to send these cars to Carcraft in Michigan, where the front shock towers were literally cut and moved to make room. Look at the fenders. They are hand-flared to fit those wide Goodyear polyglass tires. With the chin spoiler and the simple Boss 429 decals, it doesn't need flashy stripes to tell you it's dangerous. Performance. Under that giant hood sits the heart of the beast, the 7-liter 429 cubic inch V8. It earned the nickname Shotgun because of its massive Hemi-style combustion chambers. Officially, Ford rated it at 375 horsepower to keep insurance companies happy, but everyone knew the truth. On a dyno, these engines were pushing well over 500 horsepower straight from the factory. It's paired with a heavy-duty 4-speed close-ratio manual and a 3.91 traction lock rear end. It wasn't built for a 0 to 60 sprint. It was built to scream at high RPMs on the high banks of a NASCAR oval. Interior. Step inside and you'll find the deluxe interior decor group. Unlike other stripped-down race cars, the Boss 429 was surprisingly premium. It features wood grain accents, high-back comfort weave bucket seats, and the center console. But look closely at the dash. There's an 8,000 RPM tachometer, a clear warning of what this engine can do. One thing you won't find: air conditioning. The engine was so wide that there was physically no room for an AC compressor. This car was meant to be driven with the windows down and the volume up. Current 2026 pricing. Now let's talk about the 2026 market value. If you wanted one in 1969, it cost about $4,800. Today, you better have a massive bank account. As of early 2026, average sales for a Boss 429 are hovering around $325,000 USD. However, if you want a numbers-matching concourse quality example in a rare color like Raven Black or Black Jade, prices are skyrocketing. We've seen pristine models recently crossed the auction block for over $605,000. It is one of the safest blue-chip investments in the automotive world. So if you had $600K, would you buy this Boss 429 or a brand new Ferrari? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Improve Autos for more classic muscle.